vegetables here does really give a very good aroma.
Yeah, it does. Okay. Make sure that we don't overcook the garlic, if not it will give a bitter taste. Okay, maybe we should turn the heat a little bit.
So can we add the vegetables now?
Yes, we can.
The carrots?
Okay. Jasmine, do you know why carrots are good for you?
Because it's high in fiber?
Yes, and also it's high in beta-carotene that is good for your eyes.
Oh.
We shall put it in now. Fry it together.
Okay, and long beans.
Long beans are one of the legumes that you can use for cooking. Okay?
For my protein, right?
Yes, you're right. And then we have potato. Generally, if you add in more potato, your curry will be more starchy. So you don't really need to add flour in that case. Okay? Alright, so now we also have our curry powder, which we'll add later when we add our evaporated milk. Oh yeah, do you know how this dish can be half the saturated fat of our original curry dish?
Is it by using low-fat milk?
Yes, or you can use the low-fat evaporated milk, which I'm using today. So this is actually the magic, your low-fat evaporated milk. So you add in your low-fat evaporated milk, okay, and then give it a good stir, add in the water.
But what if I still want a coconut taste?
Well, if you still want a coconut taste, but without the saturated fat, there's actually something that you can add.
What is it?
It's actually coconut essence.
Oh.
Yep. Okay. But then again, you know, healthy eating is all about balance, variety, and moderation. If you only eat curry, let's say once a year during special occasion, go ahead, use your coconut milk, but you dilute it.
How do I dilute it?
So add less of the coconut milk component and more of the water. So you still get the coconut taste, the original taste. But if you cook curry on a regular basis, then using low-fat evaporated milk, adding your coconut essence will be good. Because it's, yes.
That's a very good idea.
Because it can actually lower your saturated fat intake. Do you know what makes the curry yellow?
The curry powder?
Yes, and also another ingredient, which is the turmeric powder.
What is it about turmeric?
Well, turmeric powder has many uses. Yeah? You can use it not for non-cooking purposes, like for dyeing your clothing. Okay. In India, do you know that they use it as the antiseptic part of the band-aid?
Oh, is it for medicinal purposes?
Yes, because your turmeric powder is actually antiseptic.
Oh.
Yeah, it has the antiseptic property.
So means if I do not have a plaster, I can use turmeric?
Well, I think you better consult a doctor first before you pour some turmeric powder on your wounds.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Shall we add in the turmeric? Yep. Okay. Some turmeric powder. See, it gives a nice yellow. But be careful because it can stain your clothing.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
No wonder it's used for dyeing.
Yes. Okay. Can we add in the curry powder now? Okay. Jasmine, do you know that to make the curry less spicy, what you can do?
Add more water?
That's one way, but it will dilute the taste. What you can do is add a little bit of sugar to balance out the spiciness.
Oh, then it will be sweeter, right?
Yes. Let's put all of this in. Okay.
Sugar?
And sugar. Do you think that we need to put in the salt?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because the mock meat is processed and I think it's high in sodium also.
You're right. And also, we have, look at all these flavorful vegetables that you have here. They also contain naturally occurring sodium. Yeah, and then it can actually brings out the flavor of the curry, all these vegetables.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are almost done.
But we are left with the pepper. Do you want to add it now?
Okay, sure. Just a little tiny bit of pepper. Okay. Alright. So if you like chicken curry, you can actually add more potatoes in, because potato actually is very starchy. It will bring out the starchy nature of the curry.
Okay.
Okay. If not, you can add flour to it. Jasmine, would you like to try some?
Sure, but the vegetables aren't soft yet.
Well, usually curry dishes are eaten over a few meals. So you don't have to cook it until it's very mushy. If not, you lose the heat-sensitive vitamins, right? So would you like to try some?
Sure.
Is it too spicy?
It's just right, but by using low-fat milk, there's still some difference in the taste because there isn't any coconut taste at all. But it's quite nice to taste such delicious curry.
Yeah, and also when you substitute your coconut milk with your low-fat milk, you also increase some nutrients, like vitamin D, B12.
Oh, okay.